FTDX101MP with a Electro Voice RE27 microphone and a little bit of external audio processing, but just a little bit, just to tailor it just a tiny little bit. You'd be surprised how little I'm actually doing with, I think, 3 bands of parametric EQ, a little bit of audio compression, a little bit of noise gating, and into the ACU FTDX101MP in the 50 to 3050 transmit bandpass. And I'm only using one EQ on the radio, and that's the EQ number 3, set at 3200 hertz, plus 6 dB, I believe, and a octa EQ of 3. Narrow it up a little bit. And that into the new toy, an Alpha 8410 amplifier running about 1200 watts out. K6GRF, KJ7E. And talking to you on Yaesu FTDX101MP in the TTVF mode. So we suspect somewhere between 100 hertz and 3.8 kilohertz worth of bandwidth. So running RE27 microphone, settings in the micro flat, into a Behringer Ultra Gain Pro mic 2200 mic preamp. Settings are flat there as well. And into a Behringer Ultra Curve Pro DEQ2496, where I'm doing some downward expansion for noise gating, some EQing with parametric EQ, just a little bit here and there, and then a little bit of audio compression, and into the radio. Back over to you, K6JF, KJ7E.